Good morning, everyone. So now that we're back on the water, Mark is getting the boat ready to sail. He has replaced his hanks on the jib to soft hanks, and he's added a cam cleat on the tiller for self-steering. Other jobs, also smaller jobs like the whippings on the ends of sheets and halyards, and so he's been busy. And so we're just on the water, getting our sea legs back. We're getting used to living aboard. Just being out in the middle of the bay anchored is different. And going back and forth in the dinghy, that's kind of a new thing. It's like your car now. And so just going to shore for a walk, go to the corner store, getting water. We've also collected rainwater, and that's going well too. So that's been really different experience. So soon we'll be heading off.
So I've found my sculling oar is a little too long. It's kind of hard to manage, so I'm just working on making it shorter. A lot easier to make it shorter than to try to make it longer. So I'm glad I started out a little on the long side. So I've got to cut a groove in the shaft of the sculling oar for the blade to fit in. I'm just going to mark that. I think that's much better, much more manageable. Definitely have more leverage this way. Just have to put some proper leather on it there where it goes through the oar lock. A new paint job, and you're all set. Easier to store it on deck too when it's not so long.
Getting ourselves back to the boat after my laundry run. Boat. Still there, and spreader lights are on for the night, and it is another foggy day. Louisbourg here. Just putting our cover on the skylight. It's a little too bright for at night. The wood stove's running again, as it's a bit of a chilly day. Take the chill out of the boat.
So I've been making these soft hanks for my jib, my working jib. Have a little opener on them. Just go on like that. Just tighten that loop up over underneath the stopper knot there. These cam cleats I added to the tiller makes it very easy and quick to lash the tiller down. I can just drop these lines in, and it allows for very small, quick adjustments as well. And I can also add a control line for sheet to tiller steering, and it also allows me to throw these lines off really quickly if I want full control of the tiller myself.
There, I got it all set up and it's going on its own. I leave my dessert.
Oh dear.
Right down there. It's very interesting. Don't think I ate it all. Anchored here for the night. We are near the fortress tonight, and there was a wind warning, but seems to be very calm now. Don't know if that's going to happen or not, but we'll see. It's a beautiful evening. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment here on YouTube and subscribe for free. If you would like to support the creation of these videos, you can follow the PayPal or Patreon links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Take care.